Okay, so today we are going to be doing long division. And this is the way we learned it in class. So I'm going to be showing you the way we learned it in class. Very simple. It looks a lot like how we do it regularly, just with some extra stuff. Okay, so first of all, we look at our divisor. And our divisor is 3. So we're going to make a list of our 3s. I like to go over here and I like to make it like about here. Okay, so I'm going to list my 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I almost went off of the page. 9, right? So I list all the way through 9, and then I go back and I do my 3s, right? So it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. I'm sorry, you can't see that. 21, 24, and 27, right? Okay, so we are going to be using this chart throughout the whole problem. This chart is vital, okay? So first things first, we're going to try to take 3 into 2, okay? So we're going to go and look for this 2 on the chart. When we're looking at it, looking for it on the bottom. Well, we don't see the 2 at the bottom, so 3 can't go into 2. So we're going to put a 0 up there for the 2, right? And since 0 times 3 is 0, we're just going to subtract 0. And then 2 minus 0 is 2. Next step is we're going to bring down our 4. And when we bring down our 4, we're going to put it right next to the number that was left over. So it's going to go right next to this 2, okay? Now we have a whole nother number, okay? We have 24. So we're going to go to the chart, and we're going to look for 24 over here somewhere. We're going to find it, and it has to be on the bottom. Okay, so I found my 24 right here well, under my 8. So I'm going to be looking right here at my 8 and 24. Now, the trick to this is the number on top goes to the top. The number on bottom goes to the bottom. So the number on top is 8. So 8 goes to the top. The number on bottom is 24. So that's what goes right here, and we subtract. Okay? 24 minus 24 is 0. Okay? So what do we do next? Next, we bring down our 7. And we're going to sit it right next to our 0. So there we go, 7. Now, we're going to go to this chart, and we're going to see if there's a 7 on the chart. Not seeing a 7, right? So the next thing we do is we look for the number closest to 7, but less than 7. If we look for the number closest to 7 but less than, it's going to be this number. It's going to be your 6, right? Once again, when you stop here, this number goes on top, this number goes on bottom, okay? So we're going to take our 2 to the top, and we're going to take our 6 to the bottom, okay? And round down here, we have to subtract all the time. So 7 minus 6 equals 1. Okay, so we're left with 1, but we still have one number left. Okay, so let's bring down that 8. Sit it next to the 1. Now we have this number 18. So we're going to refer back to our chart once again. 18, I found our 18 right here underneath the 6. So the number that goes, do not go too high up, come down a little bit. The number that goes to the top is 6. And the number that goes to the bottom is going to be 18. And we are going to subtract. Okay, 18 minus 18 is 0. And we're done. Okay, so that's the way we learn it in class. I think it's very simple, but I'm going to do it one more time using another problem. Okay, so now we're going to do $5,274 divided by 9. So you guessed it, we're going to go and we're going to do our 9s. I'm going to try to give myself a little bit more space this time because I didn't have a lot of space last time. we're going to list again